All right. Hi, I'm Sal Gilberti, and we're going to be planting garlic today. The fall is the best time to plant garlic. We're planting hard-neck garlic. This is hard-neck because the stem is very hard, as opposed to the soft neck, which they generally will braid, but you can't braid hard-neck. Well, hard-neck is generally the organic garlic. Not necessarily, but usually it is, when it's hard-neck, it's usually organic. What we're doing is we're separating the cloves from the heads, and what we want to do is to cull them and plant the biggest ones. The smallest ones we're going to leave on the side. We're going to bring that into the kitchen, and that's going to be used in our cooking. But the biggest heads are the ones that will grow as the biggest. The ground has to be prepared properly, be well tilled. We're planting in a raised bed. Many people do have raised beds, but if you're going to be planting in raised beds, you want to keep it away from the edge by at least 6 inches, and you want to go down at least 6 inches with the clove. So each plant, I just made a little stick that I can make a deeper hole. You want to go at least 6 inches deep. You can do that with just your free hand if your soil is loose enough. Make sure it's well fertilized, and you bring it down as far as you can go with the point end up, and again about 6 inches apart. So you can do it with yourself, with your hand, by pushing it down, or if you want to make a hole with a stick or something, about 6 inches apart, and rows at least 6 inches apart. So that's basically what I'm doing here. And once you get them, it's a good idea. We always try to plant before a good rain, so we don't have to water them. So you just stick it down as deep as you can. And remember to cull the garlics to get the biggest cloves to plant. The bigger the clove, the bigger the head you're going to get in next July when you harvest them. That's planting garlic in the fall.